If you're watering your tomatoes every day and they're still dying, you're doing it completely wrong. This one deep watering trick changed everything for my garden, and it'll change yours too.
Stay till the end, because the last technique is the one no one talks about.
Shallow watering trains roots to stay near the surface, making plants weak and drought-prone.
Deep watering means getting moisture down 10 to 12 inches, where the roots actually want to go. Set your hose to a slow trickle for 20 to 30 minutes. Let the water creep deep, not run off fast. Bury a punctured bottle next to your plant. It delivers water directly to the root zone for free. A 12-inch PVC pipe with holes drilled in it sends every drop straight to the roots. No waste. Drip irrigation is the gold standard, consistent, deep, and hands-free once it's set up. Always water in the early morning. It gives moisture time to reach deep roots before the heat evaporates it. Deep water every 2 to 3 days, not every day. Let the top inch dry out between sessions. Stick your finger 2 inches into the soil. If it's dry, water. If it's still moist, wait. Layer 3 inches of mulch around your plants. It locks in that deep moisture for days longer. Yellow leaves and soggy soil mean you've gone too far. Even tomatoes can drown. For pots, water until it flows out the bottom. That's the only way to confirm you've reached the roots. Here's the trick nobody mentions. Aerate the soil with a spike before watering. Absorption doubles. 2 weeks of deep watering. Look at the difference. Your tomatoes will tell you when you get it right.
Go back to the beginning. Watch the buried bottle trick one more time. You'll catch something you missed.